DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. Today we will be making some old-fashioned butter pecan ice cream at home. These are the ingredients you will need, which are some pecans, brown sugar, vanilla extract, butter, Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk, and some heavy whipping cream. You will also need a pan, a handheld mixer, a serving spoon, and a bowl. First, you will heat your pan to a medium-high heat and add a stick of butter. Once the butter melts and begins to sizzle, you can begin adding your pecans. It's up to you if you would like to crumble them or leave them whole. Gently stir the pecans so that they can roast thoroughly and are coated in the butter. Once you have fully coated and roasted the pecans, you can add in the brown sugar. We just eyeballed it. However, I would guess we used maybe a couple of tablespoons. You will stir in the brown sugar with the pecans and butter until it looks a bit like caramel. Then add about a tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk and continue to stir until all of the pecans are coated in the mixture. Then turn off the heat and prepare for the next steps. Next, in your bowl, you are going to pour in about a quart of heavy whipping cream, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a can of Engel brand sweetened condensed milk, and then blend the mixture until a whipped consistency. Once you have your whipped consistency, you are going to begin to spoon your pecan mixture into the bowl and stir as you're spooning in the pecan mixture. Once all of your pecan mixture is combined, continue to blend all ingredients with the handheld mixer on a low setting. Once you are done blending, cover your bowl and freeze at least 8 hours. The next day, you will be able to enjoy a delicious homemade butter pecan ice cream treat. This is a treat the whole family will enjoy. Snoopy got a scoop, everybody got a scoop, and everybody thought that this was so delicious and so refreshing. So yeah, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate your time and energy. We look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Peace and love. And as always, be blissful and watch D-Man do his happy dance.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends. And I look like $1 trillion. Lady, you won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the butt, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco.